commercial laundry and cleaning services, Middlemount, Queensland. With an outstanding reputation for quality and reliability, BJ Services has secured laundry and cleaning contracts with major mining companies. Currently run under management and still highly profitable to the owners, there's no rent to pay as you will own the premises. Established for over 15 years, buying this successful freehold business guarantees you an income from day one. All the hard work is being done by the current owners, and turnover has actually increased since the COVID outbreak. With an excellent manager and staff in place, services include cleaning, builders cleans, vacates, and laundry agreements. This freehold property is over 2,000 square metres with a commercial laundry, car bay, office, bathroom, kitchen, and on-site manager's quarters. Offered as a walk-in, walk-out deal, your investment comes with 3 vehicles, including a mine site compliant vehicle. If you're looking for a secure income and a good lifestyle in Queensland, then this is the business for you.